Talk about Arvind Kejriwal, who's made his political debut so far. Known as Anna Hazare's trusted lieutenant, Kejriwal is holding his first independent protest after breaking ranks with his former leader. Kejriwal and his supporters are staging a protest at Jantar Mantar, and in a breakaway from the past, it's under the banner of India Against Corruption. As erstwhile Team Anna members agitate against the decision of a cap on the number of LPG cylinders and diesel price hike, the question on everybody's mind is, will Neta Kejriwal strike a chord with the masses? Of late, Kejriwal has been trying to get more politically involved, lending his support to villagers in Kudankulam, protesting outside the PM's residence on the issue of Colgate, and also taking up the cudgels for cartoonist Aseem Trivedi. On your television screens at the moment, you can see live visuals that we're getting for you from Jantar Mantar. So there has been some sort of a response to that protest today, but what's been the intensity? We'll get in a word now from our correspondent Ankit Tyagi. Ankit, what's the kind of response that you're seeing to this political debut of Arvind Kejriwal, so to speak? Ankit, are you there with us? Alright, we seem to have lost our connection there with Ankit Tyagi. We will of course go back to him, but let me tell you for now what you're seeing on your television screens. These are live visuals that we are getting for you from Jantar Mantar. Remember, this is the first time really that Arvind Kejriwal has come out on stage without Anna Hazare. All eyes on that protest today to see what kind of people can Arvind Kejriwal really gather without the support of Anna Hazare. On your television screens at the moment, Arvind Kejriwal, people trying to speak with him.
दिल्ली में आज से सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट चालू हुआ है. सविनय अवज्ञा आंदोलन. लोग महंगाई से परेशान हो चुके हैं. बिजली के दाम बढ़ा दिए, पानी के दाम बढ़ा दिए, डीजल के दाम बढ़ा दिए, पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़ा दिए, सारी चीजों के दाम बढ़ गए. और साफ साफ ये नजर आ रहा है कि सरकार भ्रष्टाचार की वजह से कर रही है. ये सरकार ने भ्रष्टाचार कर रखा है. तो आज से बिजली के बिल ना देने का ये आंदोलन चालू हुआ है. सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट चालू हुआ है. हम लोग दिल्ली के कोने कोने में जाएंगे, घर घर में जाएंगे और जनता को कहेंगे कि बिजली के बिल देना बंद करें. जिस दिन पूरी दिल्ली ने बिजली के बिल देने बंद कर दिए, उस दिन हमें लगता है कि इनको सरकार को घुटने टेकने पड़ेंगे जनता के सामने.
Alright, Ankit Tyagi, our correspondent, now joins us with more details. Ankit, clearly we've seen Arvind Kejriwal pick up on some of the popular causes there, talking about the high electricity bill and saying that the people should not be paying for it. Ankit, are you there with us? Alright, what we can see at the moment is Arvind Kejriwal's political debut over there. Remember, he's picked up some of the popular causes. You just heard him speak about the high tariffs of electricity in Delhi, saying that a new civil disobedience is going to be started in Delhi, and he's urged people not to pay their electricity bills.